I'm Carrie Higgs, and today we're going to talk about how to get your home sold within 30 to 60 days with 3 strategies to think about. So let's get started. Today we're going to talk about how to get your home sold quickly, and there's 3 very important factors to that, and we're going to get into them one by one. So I'm going to make 3 series of videos. The first one is going to be about price. So think about this. The most important thing about selling your home is pricing it right. And I know you hear us realtors say that all the time, but when buyers are searching online, if they're on Zillow or Realtor.com, wherever, they're looking at that price first. They're looking at your photographs second. So the price is a determining factor. The photographs are going to sway them. At this point, they're looking at the price and condition together, and it's really got to come together well where it makes sense. Like, oh, okay, that's a nice house. That looks like a good deal. I think I'll put that on my list, and they go from there. But if it doesn't come together, the location, condition, and price, they're just going to pass it by. So all of that has to work together, and it's so important. Why do we work so hard on sellers getting their price right? Well, it's because we can see that the longer a home sits on the market, the less likely you're going to get a buyer, and the more likely you're going to have to reduce that price in the long run. It just creates a negative vibe to the whole sale when you're pricing it way above market value, because buyers know this, and if you're priced way above value, you're going to have a harder time getting them in the front door to even look at your house. So we hear sellers say all the time, I can always go down, but I can't go up. So I'm going to price it up here so that I can go down. Well, that's going to take you more time over the process. So the best thing to do is to have a realtor come and look at your house and give a price opinion and see what other homes in your neighborhood are going for. And look at the list price versus the sales price. Is it 5% lower? Is it 10% lower than that list price? That's what you need to determine. And then you want to price accordingly to what other home sales have done. Give yourself a reasonable, comfortable range. Now, I'm not saying you have to have a low price and get this sold in 2 weeks. Figure out a time frame that's good for you. Usually we take a listing for 6 months. Do you want it to take the full 6 months and go into the next year? Do you want to sell it in 3 months? Do you want to sell it in 30 days? So that is going to determine your price too, but always within that market range. So real estate is not about winning or losing. It's about having a win-win. We want the seller to win. We want the buyer to win. We want everybody to come together and be happy and have a good feeling about what we're doing. So let's talk about how we're going to create that win-win situation. As a seller, you want to have open disclosure. You want to tell the buyer everything you know about the house on that seller's disclosure. And if there's any repairs that need to be made, go ahead and make the repairs that you can. You know what happens when you price your home correctly? Sometimes you can even get multiple offers. And guess what happens when you get multiple offers? You have people competing with each other, and your price is going up, up, up. So that is a great position to be in, and that only happens when you price it right. Thanks again for joining me on my YouTube channel, and I hope to see you real soon. I'll be posting a new video every week, so just remember to hit subscribe so you don't miss any notifications of my videos. Next time we'll be talking about location condition for home sellers, and I really hope that you enjoyed this video on price. So give me a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you next time.